Question number 1a. Add 7 by 16 plus 1 by 8. These two fractions are unlike fraction. Denominator of first fraction is 16 and denominator of second fraction is 8. 16 is multiple of 8 and 16 is LCM of 8 and 16. So multiply the numerator and denominator of second fraction by such a number so that the denominator is equal to 16. So if we multiply 8 by 2, it gives 16. So multiply the numerator and denominator of second fraction 1 by 8 by 2. It gives 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 8 is 16. Now these two are like fractions. So in case of like fractions, write the common denominator 16 in the denominator and add the numerator. 7 plus 2 is 9. So 9 by 16 is the sum. Question number B. Add 5 by 9 plus 1 by 2 plus 4 by 3. These three fractions are unlike fractions. So first we take the LCM of denominators and make the denominator of all these fractions equal to that LCM. क्योंकि ये फ्रैक्शंस अनलाइक हैं इसलिए इनके डिनोमिनेटर का एलसीएम निकालेंगे और सारे फ्रैक्शंस के डिनोमिनेटर को उस एलसीएम के इक्वल करेंगे. टू फाइंड द डिनोमिनेटर बाय कॉमन डिवीजन मेथड, राइट 9, 2 and 3 divided by prime number 2. 9 is not the multiple of 2, so write 9 as it is. 2 is multiple of 2, so divided by 2. 2 ones is 2 and 3 is also not divisible by 2, so write 3 as it is. After that divide by 3. 9 is multiple of 3, so 3 3s are 9. Here 1. 3 is multiple of 3, 3 ones is 3. Again here 3 left, so divided by 3. 3 ones is 3. If continue the division till we get 1. Here we got 1. So product of all these divisors gives LCM. So LCM of 9, 2 and 3 is 2 into 3 into 3, that is 18. As the LCM is 18, so make the denominator of these three given fractions equal to LCM 18. For this, we multiply the numerator and denominator of first fraction by 2 because 9 2s are 18 and multiply the numerator and denominator of second fraction by 9 and multiply numerator and denominator of third fraction 4 by 3 by 6. By multiplying this, we get 5 2s are 10 upon 9 2s are 18. In second fraction, 1 into 2 is 9, 2 into 9 is 18. In third fraction, 4 into 6 is 24 and 3 into 6 is 18. Now we got like fractions. All these three fractions are having equal denominator. 10 by 18 is like fraction of, is equivalent fraction of 5 by 9. 9 by 18 is equivalent fraction of 1 by 2 and 24 by 18 is equivalent fraction of 4 by 3. Now to add like fractions, write the common denominator in the denominator and in numerator write the numerator of first, second and third fraction and add all these. So sum of 10 plus 9 plus 24 is equal to 43. So 43 by 18 is the sum. Because it is improper fraction, so divide numerator 43 by 18. It gives 2 whole number 7 by 18, which is the answer. C. Add 7 plus 1 whole number 1 by 2 plus 9 by 5. So the middle fraction, it is mixed number. 1 whole number 1 by 2 can be written as 1 plus 1 by 2. For addition, separate the whole number part and the fractional part of mixed number. Now add 7 plus 1 is 8 and then add the fractional parts. These fractional parts are unlike fraction having denominator 2 and 5. So find LCM. Both number 2 and 5 are prime number. So LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. So multiply numerator and denominator of first fraction 1 by 2 by 5 so that the denominator becomes 10, and multiply the numerator and denominator of second fraction 9 by 5 by 2 so that the denominator becomes 10. 5 into 1 is 5, so 5 by 10 is equivalent fraction of 1 by 2, and 18 upon 10 is equivalent fraction of 9 by 5. Now these two are like fractions. So to add the like fractions, write the common denominator 10 and add 5 plus 18 is 23. So this 23 by 10 is improper fraction. This can be written as 2 whole number 3 by 10. When we divide numerator 23 by 10, it gives quotient 2, remainder 3. So 23 upon 10 can be written as 2 whole number 3 by 10, and separate the whole number part and fractional part. It can be written as 2 plus 3 by 10. Add the whole number part, 8 plus 2 is 10 and 3 by 10. So 10 whole number 3 by 10 is the sum. Question D. Add 2 whole number 1 by 2 plus 1 whole number 1 by 4 plus 2 whole number 4 by 5. So first of all, separate the whole number part and fractional part of all these three mixed number. This 2 whole number 1 by 2 can be written as 2 plus 1 by 2. 1 whole number 1 by 4 can be written as 1 plus 1 by 4. And 2 whole number 4 by 5 can be written as 2 plus 4 by 5. Then add the whole number parts 2, 1 and 2. It gives 5. Then take the fractional parts 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 4 by 5. Here the denominators are different. So all these three fractional parts are unlike fractions. For adding this, take the LCM of denominators. To find the LCM of denominators, use common division method. For this, write the denominators 2, 4 and 5 and divide these by smallest prime number 2. So 2 is divisible by 2, divided by 2 ones is 2. 4 is also divisible by 2. So 2 2s are 4. And 5 is not divisible by 2. So write 5 as it is. Again, this 2 is divisible by 2. So divided by 2. 2 ones is 2. Write 5 as it is. Then divided by 5. 5 ones is 5. So LCM of 2, 4 and 5 is the product of all these divisor. 2 into 2 into 5, it is 20. Now multiply numerator and denominator of fraction 1 by 2 by 10. Multiply the numerator and denominator of fraction 1 by 4 by 5. And multiply numerator and denominator of fraction 4 by 5 by 4. On multiplying, it gives 10 by 20 plus 5 by 20 plus 16 by 20. 1 by 2 is equivalent of 10 by 20. 5 by 20 is equivalent of 1 by 4. And 16 by 20 is equivalent of 4 by 5. Now all these are like fractions. So for adding like fractions, write the common denominator 20 and add the numerators. 10 plus 5 plus 16. It is 31. 31 upon 20 is the sum of these fractional parts. 31 upon 20 is the improper fraction. So divide 31 by 20. It gives one whole number 11 by 20. And add the whole number part. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 whole number 11 by 20. This is the answer. Question 2. Subtract 3 by 8 from 1 by 2. So we have to subtract 3 by 8 from 1 by 2. So write 1 by 2 first. From 1 by 2 we have to subtract 3 by 8. So write 1 by 2 first minus 3 by 8. 8 is the denominator of second fraction. 2 is the denominator of first fraction. And 8 is bigger than 2. 8 is multiple of 2. So LCM of 2 and 8 is 8. How can we make the denominator of first fraction 2 to 8? So when we multiply numerator and denominator of this fraction by 8, it gives the denominator 8. Multiply the numerator and denominator of fraction 1 by 2 by 4. It gives 4 by 8 minus 3 by 8. Now these two fractions are having equal denominator. These are like fractions. So take the common denominator 8 and subtract the numerator of second fraction from the first. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 upon 8. 4 minus 3 is 1. So 1 upon 8 is the difference. B. Subtract 3 by 16 from 1 by 2. Again write 1 by 2 first, then minus sign, and then write the fraction 3 by 16. Here also 16 is multiple of 2. So multiply numerator and denominator of this fraction 1 by 2 by 8. So that it gives denominator 16. 8 by 16 is equivalent fraction of 1 by 2. 8 by 16 minus 3 by 16. These two are like fractions. So write the common denominator and write the difference of numerators of both the fractions in numerator. 8 minus 3 is 5. So 5 upon 16 is the difference. C. Subtract 4 whole number 1 by 2 from 6. So first write 6, then minus sign, and then write 4 whole number 1 by 2. This 6 is a whole number. So 6 can be written as 5 plus 1 minus, separate the whole number part and fractional part of second fraction. It is 4 plus 1 by 2. Now subtract 4 from 5 and the fractional part from 1. 5 minus 4 plus 1 minus 1 by 2. 5 minus 4 is 1, and in place of 1 we can write 2 by 2 because the denominator of second fraction is 2. So in place of 1 write 2 by 2. Now these two are like fractions. Subtract the numerators. 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2. And 1 plus 1 by 2 is one whole number 1 by 2. It is the difference. Question D. Subtract 2 whole number 1 by 2 from 7 whole number 3 by 5. So first write this mixed number 7 whole number 3 by 5 minus 2 whole number 1 by 2. Then separate the whole number part and mixed whole number part and fractional part from these mixed number. So 7 whole number 3 by 5 can be written as 7 plus 3 by 5, and 2 whole number 1 by 2 can be written as 2 plus 1 by 2. Then subtract the whole number part from the whole number part and fractional part from the fractional part. 7 minus 2 is 5 and 3 by 5 minus 1 by 2. So 2 and 5 are the prime numbers. So LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. Multiply the numerator and denominator of first fraction by 2 and numerator and denominator of second fraction by 5 so that they give denominator 10. So we got 5 plus 3 2s are 6 upon 10 minus 5 1s is 5 upon 10. These two are like fraction. So to subtract like fractions, write the common denominator 10 and write the difference of numerators in the numerator. 5 plus 6 minus 5 is 1 upon 10, and 5 plus 1 upon 10 is 5 whole number 1 upon 10. This is the difference. Question 3. Find the value of 2 whole number 3 by 5 plus 3 whole number 1 by 2 minus 2 whole number 1 by 8. Here 3 mixed numbers are given and 2 sign of operations are given. First we have to add these two fractions, then subtract the fraction 2 whole number 1 by 8 from that sum. For this, first we write by separating the whole number part and the fractional parts. 2 whole number 3 by 5 can be written as 2 plus 3 by 5. 3 whole number 1 by 2 can be written as 3 plus 1 by 2. And 2 whole number 1 by 8 can be written as 2 plus 1 by 8. Then take the whole number parts 2 plus 3 minus 2 and the fractional parts 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 8. As the denominator of all these fractions 3 by 5, 1 by 2 and 1 by 8 are different. So first we take LCM of these denominators. So we write the denominator 5, 2 and 8 divided by 2. 5 is not divisible by 2. So write 5 as it is. 2 ones is 2. 8 is divisible by 2, divided by 2. 2 fours are 8. Again divided by 2. 2 twos are 4. Then again it can be divided by 2. 2 ones is 2. Then 5 is left. So divide 5 by 5. 5 ones is 5. So LCM of 5, 2 and 8 is the product of all divisors 2 into 2 into 2 into 5, which is 40. Now multiply the numerator and denominator of first fraction 3 by 5 by 8 so that it gives denominator 40 equal to the LCM. Multiply the numerator and denominator of second fraction by 20 so that it gives denominator 40, and multiply numerator and denominator of fraction 1 by 8 by 5 so that it gives denominator 40. 24 by 40 is equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. 20 by 40 is equivalent fraction of 1 by 2 and 5 by 40 is equivalent fraction of 1 by 8. Now these are having common denominator 40. So write the common denominator and in numerator write 24 plus 20 minus 5. It gives 24 plus 20, 44 minus 5, and 44 minus 5 is 39. So 3 plus 39 by 40. It is 3 whole number 39 by 40. This is the value.